Hi everyone, Pool Boy Dan again. So today I want to show you how to backwash a butterfly valve system.
On a butterfly valve system, it's not required to turn the power off, but you can always do it just for reassurance. To start with, you have your skimmer line coming in and your main line coming in. You have it running to a 7.5 EQ series motor, and it goes all the way into 3 TR140 filters. To start this backwash process, you need to change the valves, starting with your backwash line. Be sure to open a valve before you close a valve, just so the water has somewhere to travel. Next, go to your opposite side valve, being your rinse and your filter valve. Do ensure, again, that you open one before you close one. This should be your setup as you want to backwash. You can go ahead and turn the power back on.
During the backwashing process, I like to take a light and put it against the check valve just to see the clarity of the water coming out. This will also help you indicate when you can switch over to rinse as well as switching back over to return.
Now that you're done backwashing, you can go through the process of rinsing and returning your pool water. So to do that, you need to go in reverse of how you started your valve through backwash. Now you can see that the water traveling from the motor to this valve goes straight across to your backwash line. This is rinse. Lastly, once you are done rinsing, you can return the water back to the pool. This should now be your final setup. That is your return. Your backwash is closed. Top is open, bottom is closed. So you are now set up and filtered.
Another bit of advice when you're backwashing, make sure your water levels are high enough to backwash, and also ensure once you've returned the water to the pool that you have good circulation.